Wondering what's the smartest milk frother out there? Meet the DREO BaristaMaker, the smartest barista-level frother for all kinds of milk. Just pour, click, and let BaristaMaker do its magic. The game-changing impeller and micro-level screen transform bubbles into exquisitely fine particles, creating cafe-quality foam. Ready for making latte art flawlessly every time. Just beautiful. No matter the type of milk or style of coffee, BaristaMaker has your back. With tailored programs, even for plant-based milks. Just click and let BaristaMaker do its magic. Thanks to the unique multi-stage frothing tech, BaristaMaker will automatically adjust frothing for perfect results, giving you cafe-quality froth on any type of milk. Ready for latte art just with a press of a button at home? Unleash your creativity with BaristaMaker. Be it cocoa, matcha, or protein powders, just click and let BaristaMaker do its magic. Your ultimate versatile frother is here, bringing the unlimited fun of creating your own recipes. And of course, quickly get boosted whenever you want. Easy, yet professional. The smartest frothing solution for all coffee lovers. DREO BaristaMaker. Latte art perfection for all kinds of milk. DREO.